Learner Pathways Catalog, High School Transitions Data, Editing Academic Upgrading Data. In the catalog, when you're updating your academic upgrading data, all of the features in this section, whether they be IB, AP, or academic upgrading, operate very simply in how they edit. You will see your institution, in this case using NATE as an example, having a highlighted ability to change your data, either where there is no data and there's simply a plus sign, or where you have existing data if you wish to make an update. Related to upgrading data, institutions will be able to make their own edits directly now into this system. Note that if your data requires approval from the Provincial Adult Upgrading Committee, that you would want to do at a meeting prior to directly updating your data into the pathway system, as in the future, in late February, it will start to populate the Transfer Alberta Search Tool and mobile app directly. In editing your academic upgrading data, if you wanted to update this particular record for Biology 20, you notice again, while all the institutions are there, yours is the only one that you will be editing at that time. I can click on the item to edit. I can make any changes that are needed here or to the footnotes with the particular item. I can add in further tests 3, 4, 5 in lieu of whatever notes or data I might have needed to add as a part of these footnotes. I could also update the course number, and I can click Save. Once that is confirmed, and after it's reloaded into the system, you'll notice that already up top, as it's finishing loading, we're starting to see the successfully published academic upgrading relationship being illustrated at the top of the screen. This confirms that the edit I just made has now been populated and published into the catalog system and is ready for ACAD approval and publishing into the search tool and the app. The same process would be if I have no data and I now wanted to add that. Let's say for COM 353, that may be at my institution, and I may or may not have any footnotes. In this case, I'll say that I just simply have a test footnote, and I can click Save. And similarly to the previous one, you'll already see the note coming up here that I have successfully published academic upgrading relationship data. And then once that is concluded and the loading has completed itself, I will see in replacement of the plus sign the new data that I placed into the system on behalf of the particular institution that I have authority to edit for. With that in mind, again, as I am editing my institution's academic upgrading data, I can do that at any time of year now, or every 6 months, yearly, daily, whatever it is that best meets my needs as an institution as I look at my data for the various categories. And note that all of the categories are indeed listed there for the entire list. And again, for those that are a part of the Provincial Adult Upgrading Committee approvals, you would want to make sure to have those discussions prior to updating your institution's information here in the system.